If you've ever wanted to open two Premiere Pro projects at the same time, maybe to move sequences, copy assets, or pull an old edit into a brand new project, this video is going to save you a ton of time. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to open multiple projects in Premiere Pro, how to switch between them, and how to move clips and sequences from one project to another without making a mess. And if this helps you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more simple Premiere Pro tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open Adobe Premiere Pro and launch your first project as you normally would. This can be any project you already have saved on your computer. Once that first project is open, you're ready to bring in the second one. Now go up to the top menu and click File. Then choose Open Project. If you're on Windows, you can also use Ctrl+O. On Mac, use Command+O. This will open a file browser where you can find the second Premiere Pro project file you want to work with. Select the second project file and click Open. At this point, Premiere Pro may ask you whether you want to close the current project or keep it open. This is the part you need to pay attention to. Make sure you choose the option that keeps both projects open. That way, you'll be able to access the media, bins, and sequences from each project at the same time. Once both projects are open, you will notice something really useful in the project panel, usually located in the lower left area of the workspace. Premiere Pro will create a separate tab for each project. That means you can click one tab to view the contents of one project, then click the other tab to switch over to the second project. This is super helpful when you're organizing assets or comparing edits side by side. You can also open sequences from both projects in the timeline at the same time. Each sequence will appear as its own tab at the top of the timeline panel, so if you're working on a main edit and need to reference an older sequence, you can switch between them quickly without closing anything. Now here's where this becomes really powerful. If you want to move a clip, a folder, or even an entire sequence from one project to the other, you can simply drag and drop it. For example, if you have a sequence inside Project A that you want to use in Project B, just click and drag it from the project panel of one project into the other project's bin, or directly into the timeline. Premiere Pro handles this very well, and it's one of the easiest ways to reuse content. This method is especially useful if you're combining edits, pulling in intro sequences, reusing B-roll, or transferring graphics and assets from an older project into a new one. Instead of exporting and re-importing everything manually, you can keep both projects open and work much faster. If you ever lose track of which project you're in, just look at the tab names in the project panel and timeline. That will tell you exactly what you're editing. And if you want to stay organized, it's a good idea to name your projects clearly before opening them together, especially if they're very similar. So to recap, open your first project, use File and Open Project to load the second one. Choose the option to keep both open, then switch between the project panel tabs or timeline tabs as needed. From there, you can drag assets and sequences between projects with ease. If this Premiere Pro tip helped you, make sure to hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.